Hello students, today we can study on degrees of comparison. Most adjectives have three different forms to show degree of comparison: the positive, comparative and the superlative. The positive is used to describe an item, group or person. Example, it is a big ball. The comparative is used to describe two items, people or groups. Example, this coconut tree is taller than this arecanut tree. Superlative adjectives are used to compare three or more nouns. They are also used to compare one thing against the rest of a group. For example, Rajasthan is the biggest Indian state in terms of the area. In English, we can express lesser degree also. Example, beautiful, less beautiful, least beautiful. Look, certain examples of positive degree. Ravi is a good singer. No other bird is as clever as the crow. Very few animals in the world are as useful as the cow. Priya is not as tall as Kavita. Look how these sentences are written in comparative degree. Ramu is cleverer than Raju. The cow is bigger than a goat. Train is faster than bus. I prefer tea to coffee. Maya is senior to Veena. Sheila is superior to Vani. Kavita is taller than Priya. Rose is more beautiful than Jasmine. This is the better of his two novels. The harder you study, the easier you win. You read this example for superlative degree. Vishnu is the cleverest of all the students in the class. It was the oldest banyan tree in the town. The elephant is the strongest animal on land. You look at this chart. Positive degree is changed into comparative degree, adding ER, and it is changed into superlative degree, adding EST. In this chart, you can see comparative degree is made by adding more before the adjectives, and the superlative degree is made by adding most before the adjectives. Here you can see that comparative and superlative degrees are not derived from positive degree. These are irregular comparatives. Here you can no other animal on land is so strong as elephant. It is a positive degree. We can change this sentence into comparative like this. The elephant is stronger than any other animal on land. We can make superlative sentence like this. The elephant is the strongest animal on land. You look this example. Very few animals in the world are as useful as the cow. That is positive degree. We can change it to comparative degree like this. The cow is more useful than most other animals in the world. Superlative degree like this. The cow is one of the most useful animals in the world. It was an old banyan tree. The tree was older than the house. It was the oldest banyan tree in the town.